Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On today's video, I just want to share with you guys that maybe you already knew that everyone is unique. So for you, the ones who a lot of thinking to start on YouTube, believe me, everyone is unique, and start it right now. And you should consider yourself as a unique person. Of course, if of course it is. Of course, absolutely, you are unique, but you have to consider uh, some like this. You just close your eyes. You just close your eyes literally anywhere, anytime when you considering, or when you struggling with your thought, churning what on your mind, and try to thinking what is your unfair advantage. This is important. What is an unfair advantage? Unfair advantage is an advantage from yourself that not everyone has. For example, for me, my unfair advantage is I'm really good in consistency. In case you never known that I made video every single day, even if my video not really good, even if the quality is so poor. My unfair advantage, I have persistence and consistency. So I abuse my unfair advantage to upload on YouTube. That's mine. And for the other case, let's say you live in Nigeria, and then not everyone on Nigeria has internet, for example, or maybe you live in Europe and then you are Japanese on Europe. I rarely seen on YouTube Japanese live on Europe, and you can create vlog of your life as a Japanese in Europe, in UK, and so on. And that's your unfair advantage. Not everyone has, and that's the unique of you. It's really good to upload it, to document it, to make it as a content on YouTube. Believe me, your unfair advantage is the very first thing you should consider when you starting a YouTube journey. And the second thing, your resources. This also actually it's related to the unfair advantage that I told you before. But the thing is, you should look up your resources. For instance, your money, your camera, your laptop, maybe your computer, anything. You just use your own resources. Don't buy a new resources to start a YouTube hustle. Believe me, you just use your own, and believe me, all your resources right now, exactly right now, concurrent your resources is enough to start. Okay, it's more than enough to start YouTube channel. So once again, everyone is unique, so you just explore your uniqueness, and then see your unfair advantage, more abuse your unfair advantage, and just look up to your own resources right now. Don't be overthinking. That's it. That's how to start a YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.